Hey, glad you came back to join me. This is Steve with Grow Together. And the title of my talk today is, Are there batteries in your flashlight? You know, being that I have cancer, I can't get out right now. So Cindy has to do all my getting out. So she runs to Lowe's and picks up my soil or pots or plants. And one day she came back out to the car and she had this plant. And I said, Cindy, why in the world did you buy that plant? And she said, well, Steve, it was on the dollar shelf. I mean, it was one step away from being thrown away. I just had to buy it. So she did. We brought it home and we gave it some loving care. We gave it the water that it needed. We cut out all the dead branches inside the plant. We gave it some new soil and we gave it the right amount of sun. And look at the plant. Isn't it beautiful? You know, I was talking about the right amount of light for this plant to grow. And at the beginning I said, are there batteries in your flashlight? I've got this flashlight here. It's a lot better than the one I had. A friend bought me this one, but you have to see it really shines. Because we're told in Matthew that we should let our light shine in a way that people that cannot see will see it. See, that's what we're called to do. Because we have something that somebody else might need and we just don't know about it. It only takes one gesture to make a difference in somebody's life. In Galatians, we're told to love your neighbor as yourself. How do you love your neighbor? Well, first off, you pay attention. You find out what is a need. Second, you make a difference, and then you invest your time. Where are these people? Sorry, but they're all over. Folks, in today's time, we've got people who haven't worked in quite a while. We've got people who are alone. We've got people who can't get out. It's not hard to find somebody that really needs to have a light shine on them. And you have that light. Remember, how many people does it take to make a difference? One. And that's what I want to leave you with. In the comments section, would you please do this for me? Would you just write the word one if you agree with this and you know that you're the one that can make a difference? Just leave the word one in the comment section. Remember, this is Steve Price, and anything is possible with God. Grow together.